Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at the top 5 HDFC mutual funds of 2026 and their detailed performance analysis. This presentation is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Mutual funds are among the most popular investment options in India. They provide diversification, professional management and accessibility across different risk profiles. As of February 2026, several HDFC schemes rank high in assets under management, reflecting investor confidence. The top 5 HDFC mutual funds are Balanced Advantage, Flexi Cap, Mid Cap, Liquid and Large Cap. HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund AUM 107,589.67 crore rupees. Top holdings include ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI, Reliance Industries and Bharti Airtel. Returns 1 year 13.59%, 3 year 18.93%, 5 year 17.82%. Industry allocation shows banks at 19%, IT software at 5%, automobiles at 4% and pharma at 4%. This highlights strong banking exposure with diversification into IT, pharma and automobiles. HDFC Flexi Cap Fund AUM 100,455.32 crore rupees. Top holdings ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI and SBI Life Insurance. Returns 1 year 19.55%, 3 year 23.53%, 5 year 21.28%. Industry allocation shows banks at 34%, automobiles at 9%, insurance at 4%, IT software at 6% and pharma at 6%. This reflects heavy banking exposure with meaningful diversification into insurance and automobiles. HDFC Mid Cap Fund AUM 94,256.90 crore rupees. Top holdings Max Financial Services, Federal Bank, AU Small Finance Bank, Indian Bank and Balkrishna Industries. Returns 1 year 25.38%, 3 year 27.43%, 5 year 23.59%. Industry allocation shows banks at 17%, auto components at 10%, pharma at 10%, insurance at 6% and industrial products at 6%. This highlights the growth potential of mid-cap companies with balanced exposure across manufacturing, finance and healthcare. HDFC Liquid Fund AUM 67,849.86 crore rupees. Portfolio includes certificates of deposit, commercial papers, G-Secs, and treasury bills. Returns 1 year 6.41%, 3 year 6.99%, 5 year 5.93%. Asset allocation shows 41% in certificates of deposit, 38% in commercial papers, and 17% in government securities. Ratings are dominated by AAA and sovereign instruments, ensuring safety and liquidity. HDFC Large Cap Fund AUM 40,085.19 crore rupees. Top holdings ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Bharti Airtel, Kotak Mahindra Bank and Reliance Industries. Returns 1 year 14.71%, 3 year 17.23%, 5 year 15.34%. Industry allocation shows banks at 31%, telecom services at 6%, consumer durables at 6%, pharma at 8% and automobiles at 8%. This reflects stability through large-cap banking exposure with added diversity in telecom and consumer sectors. Annualized returns comparison. Among the 5 funds, the mid-cap fund shows the highest returns across all horizons. Flexi Cap also delivers strong performance, while Balanced Advantage provides stability. Liquid Fund offers safety and liquidity, though with lower returns. Key insights. Banking sector dominance is visible across all funds. Diversification into IT, pharma, automobiles and insurance ensures balanced growth. Mid-cap funds deliver higher returns, but with higher volatility. Flexi Cap adapts to market cycles. Balanced Advantage provides stability in volatile markets. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Please read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing. The information presented here is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more educational content on finance and investing. See you in the next video.